YouTube, what's up guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Changing gears real quick here. I was gonna do a quick rear end builds of my Celica, my GTS. I was gonna do the hatch cover, which you guys just saw. Thank you so much for all the support on that. Make sure to hit the like button on this video as well. Got a lot of likes on there and I really appreciate it. So we did the custom hatch, and then the next thing I was gonna do is a TRD high style spoiler, followed by I was gonna do extra little lip spoiler on it to make it really nice. I sold my FRS wheels. I did a video about that. So I have my stock GTS, so Celica 2000 to 2005, 7th generation, Celica GTS wheels. They're in pretty fair condition. I'm gonna get them painted like I did last time. I think I'm gonna do the Thunder or the gunmetal, but I did get new tires. I went with Federal, so let's go ahead and get on those. The reason why I'm stopping the TRD rear wing is because I actually want to move my car around a little bit and get it off jack stands and then install the TRD wing. I think it'll be easier for me to install the TRD wing properly and the way I want to. So I was just going to do the TRD wing next, but I want to do these wheels first. And I'll be able to get to drive the Celica again. And I think the Celica battery is dead. I haven't driven it for so long. So let me show you what I... Before we get into this project, I need some energy. Have you guys tried these things? These Fiesta ones? Oh my gosh. Oh, so good for the boy. Not kidding, these monsters are so good. Oh, they're so good. It's a party in your mouth, wow. All right, let me show you what I got. All right, so these are what I bought. These are, the brand is Federal. Pretty dang affordable. I went with 205 16s, because the OEM wheels are 16s, and then I went with a lower profile. They call them low profile 45s. Not much. I believe the factory ones come with 55 profile, so it's not that much of a low profile. But I think they're gonna look really good. Really good deal on all these. So I'm really happy I got these. What we're gonna do now though is I'm gonna actually go out to the Celica. I'm gonna dry it off. It has rainwater all over it. Dry it off, and we're gonna mount these. And I'm really excited. Again, they're not in good condition. They're, I would say, fair. They're not missing a spoke or anything. But I'm excited to either paint them the black, which I'm probably gonna do, or the gunmetal. I'm still indecisive. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna go ahead and go out to the Celica real quick. But I'm really excited to actually put these on the car and actually drive the car again because it's been so long. All right, so you guys can see the rainwater here. Grab a microfiber from my website, MITCHDORE.COMHOW. Use it to dry off your car. It's awesome. Do take a minute to admire. Oh my gosh, those brake calipers look freaking phenomenal. Look at those, they look so good. I can't wait to put the wheels on. So let's dry the car off. Rainwater, I want it to look good when I go take pictures and do that. So I actually just de-winged the car. I was actually gonna, I did part of the install. I was doing that next, but I decided that since I got the wheels, I might as well drive the car, and I wanna work on it a little bit easier. So I did dry the car with my microfiber. My beautiful Celica G, look at that. Let's just have a nice little walk around. Look at this paint. Wow, Thundercloud looking so good. So good. Oh my gosh. So as you guys can see, we've actually de-winged it, so no more wing. But let's go ahead and grab those wheels and start mounting those wheels, and then we're gonna get some nice edits. We're gonna see how it looks with the spacer, and we're gonna see how it looks with that new red calipers. Wow, those look sick. All right, let's go grab some wheels. All right, so brought the wheel out. First one that's gonna be going on. This is one of my favorite feelings ever. Oh, it's like Christmas ripping these things off. I love this. Brand new tires. This is like the second time I've done this within like, I don't know how many months, like 1 month. New tires, they're like a great feeling. Oh. When I actually sold my last, the Toyos that I just had, I said the guy, you can still kind of see the sticker because I didn't drive on them, so I drove on so little. And he's like, oh man, you can't. All right, so first wheel, we're gonna be doing the driver's side, and we're just gonna take it up and we're just gonna mount it on here. And I'm leaving those 5mm spacers on, and then I'm gonna go grab the same black lug nuts that I was using before. So let me go grab a set of those real quick. All right, so I'm just gonna tighten these on now, one by one. And then I will come back out here with the impact. We've made it to the final one. I'm stoked. So all 4 wheels are mounted. This is the last one, so let me go grab that last wheel and then we'll throw it on here and we'll lower the car. I'm stoked to see what the ride height is too. So let me go grab that last wheel. All right, final one. Taking this on here. Oh my gosh, that turned out so good. Look at that. So those stacked springs actually look really good. They actually did a really good job. So let's tighten these on, and then I'm gonna go get the center wheel caps, and then we'll go for a drive and get those edits. Oh my gosh, this turned out so good, especially with these little red brakes. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is just put these center wheel caps in that say Toyota for now. We went from Scion to Toyota. Hey, we're back to stock. Let's go. I love it. Guys, I went to start my car and I forgot the battery's dead. Let me go ahead and I got this cool little jumper kit, but let me go jump the battery because it's dead. Let me grab a kit real quick. All right, check this little thing out. This was sponsored from a long time ago. I love it. Literally, it's just like a giant battery. You plug this jumper in and it starts it up. I mean, it starts everything up. Before we head out, I want to show you, I'm doing this real quick project. So look at the sunroof, it's glass, but you guys can see all the watermarks. I'm using Rain-X glass cleaner, very affordable, and then my drill, and I wanted to show you guys. I was thinking about doing this as like a how-to video, but it doesn't really go along with the narrative of building this, but maybe I'll do another one on another one of my cars to show you guys how to get rid of all these watermarks from the previous. Okay, so we're gonna do the before and after. This one's drying, let it dry for, I don't know, 5 minutes. I need to have the battery charged. So this is a great time consuming thing. And then we'll get those amazing edits with the new. Oh, it's so good to be back in the Celica. If you guys want one of these TRD badges, swing by my website, MITCHDORE.COMHOW. Oh man. All right, let's go hit it. I want to send it real quick. It's been a while. It feels good. Gosh, I'm so stoked. Let's hit it. Let's hit it. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. Woo! I like these tires. They feel so good. They feel. Oh, I love that. That hooked up. That was no wheel spin at all. That was so good. That was so much better than those FRS. You guys, the Celica GTS is not a slow car. Like, no joke. Oh my gosh, look at that. Woo! Whoa! Did you see that torque pull? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love the GTS wheels. I'm so glad I kept them. So when I got this Tsunami, when I got this Celica, it came with GTS wheels, but they had really bad snow tires on them. I actually had them removed and threw them away, and then was gonna sell these, and they were up for sale. No one bought them, and I went with the FRS. Two things: these are lighter than the FR Wisp wheels, a lot lighter. It was like 4 pounds on each wheel, I think it was, or 3 pounds. And then I think the tires that I got on these ones are gonna be lighter than the other 17-inch. And since these are 16-inch, oh my gosh, the handling is so much better on the 16-inch. I know that everyone likes to go to the bigger wheels, like 17 or 18s, but 16s make this thing feel so freaking sporty. I love it. Love the Federals. These are really, really good tires for the bang for the buck. You know, they're not gonna be Toyos like I bought. The Toyos are better, but for the bang for the buck, these are really good. The handling feels super good right now. Steering just feels amazing. It feels like perfectly direct in the hand. Like literally, it's so tight on it with these new wheels, with the GTS wheels and with the new tires. So I'm in love. I think this is a great setup. Now, oh, and we do got to look at the red brake calipers. I think I did a fantastic job with those. You guys see those? That looks awesome. I'm gonna get down on the ground with you, but look at that. Those are great. I love those. I think I did a really good job. Now the wheel's not perfect, but the brake caliper looks fantastic. If you guys want the side markers, swing by MITCHDORE.com. You want the TRD badge, swing by MITCHDORE.com. I don't have these wheels. They were on sale on my website, but not anymore. But wow, I think that those look absolutely awesome. I am super in love with this. Again, no wing. The TRD wing is coming, but we do have that little black accent right here, which looks so good. Look at that. The hatch cover, I showed you guys how to install that. Wow, love it. I hope to get the car tinted really soon. You guys decided to just clean the glass, and you guys can kind of see the difference. So this one is what with the polish, and then that over there is without the polish. I need to continue the rest of it. But it looks good, and I want to get it tinted. So we have the GTS wheels. Now just comment down below which color I should do these. Satin gloss black, or yeah, satin black, I guess. Should I do matte? Probably not matte, maybe. Or should I do gunmetal? They just need sanded and then primered and then retouched up. I'll do it in my garage soon with the warm heated garage, so the paint turns out good. But I will be doing that soon. But oh my gosh, I'm super happy with them. Really, really, really love the wheels. I think they look great. I think the Stag lowering springs actually look very aesthetic. I know it could have gone down lower, and I think what I'll do is actually get a spacer and do a larger spacer on here, maybe a 25 millimeter or something like that, to get a little bit of poke. I'm not sure yet, but wow, I love it. This was just a little intermittent, intermittent, what is that word? Break between the TRD stuff. So that's the next video. I'll show you guys how to install the TRD high style spoiler. We'll wire the third brake light on it, and then I'll do it perfect and do a really good job. So if you guys buy one, I'll show you. You guys can use the video of how to use that video to install a TRD high style. But wow, or TRD spoiler. But wow, I'm loving this car. Make sure to hit the like button, swing by MITCHDORE.com, and I'll see you guys on the next video.